Okay. I swear he has turned into a little baby bird. He's like, I want to be syringe fed my water. I really like my water by syringe. This is the best way to drink water. You're such a goon. Swallow, sweetie. Okay, there you go. Yep. He says, I like it this way. This way is the best way. You're so weird. You're a weird one, you know it. Just don't make fun of me, lady. Don't make fun of me. I have my ways. You're so cute. Oh, boop. Well, you gotta swallow it. Yeah. Okay, you ready? There you go. Okay. Oh, goodness.